Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, developer options offer additional customization options that are not available in the standard settings menu. These include options for tweaking animations, controlling background processes, and more, allowing you to tailor your device behavior to your liking. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, next you can scroll down the page and select about font option. Okay, so now tap on software information. After that, look for build number menu and tap on it up 7 times. Well, so the developer options were successfully active, and the way to find it, you can go back and you'll find it at the very bottom here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.